air in this hill is very windy and great because the wind is not that strong like to fly off a roof. Then also any things like compared to before when there's a typhoon that it flies some rooftops, other people's houses. So yes, I'm just here to cool off like from the heat of the sun. Like you cannot really feel the heat of the sun, and also your eyes, like for example you will be spending some few minutes under the strong heat of the sun. Then when you get home, for example in your house, then your eyes will adjust to a darkness. For example, the house is a bit dark, then your eyes will adjust from transitioning from too much light of the heat of the sun to a bit of a dimness or darkness of a house. So that's what we observe here. Yep, it's really beautiful, the fresh air here. Then also detoxifying, like getting fresh oxygen from it compared to electric fans and air conditioners in houses. Fresh air from trees is very different, like coming from the trees. Also from the sea, like from beaches, it's also different. But if I can choose, I like the fresh air coming from trees. Then second is fresh air from beaches. Okay, let's walk around. Then it's around 1 p.m. plus around 1:45 p.m., almost 2 p.m. in the afternoon. So okay, let's walk around here. For example, no matter what house I live, I really like visiting this place, even though I don't live near in this place, for example, living in other areas. But right now, it's a timing that the house that I live in is just very near in this place. Because this hill is very different compared to other mountains or hills here in Cebu City and also in Cebu province. I really can't explain what is the logic behind it. Like when I come here, like it brings something like different that is unique, that is one of a kind compared to other hills and mountains. Like what I can call it is like, is it a mystery or just a question and an opinion from me? But the fact is, or what is true is, trees and grasses absorb radiation from computers and cell phones when coming here. Then right now, the heat of the sun is so strong. Like every year, it will still go up. Like the heat of the sun will get hotter and hotter. So solution, my opinion, plant more trees. Like it will be a motivation that even if I work like 8 hours or 9 hours, no matter what schedule is it, like morning, afternoon, evening, or late at night, I will be doing part-time in planting trees as long as it's paid, just to lessen the heat of the world.